Tonight in rural Wisconsin, a pickup truck blows a stop sign, and a teenager's life ends in seconds. But the driver? He doesn't realize what he's done. Yet, you're about to watch a 19-year-old go from, "Is she okay?" to, "I didn't kill anybody, right?" to the moment police tell him the truth. The other driver is dead. It's around 7:30 p.m. in Waukesha County, Wisconsin. Officers respond to a violent crash at an intersection. Multiple vehicles involved, serious injuries, possible drunk driving. The suspect is identified as Jason, 19 years old. His girlfriend was riding with him, and she's badly hurt. In the other car is Megan, 17 years old, unconscious, barely breathing, with her dog beside her.
Is she okay? I'm okay.
Okay, she's taking deep breaths.
Were you in the car? She is too.
I was the driver.
Can we get someone to there? Because there's a lady in there that's
In this one?
in this hallway.
The middle one?
Yeah, no, that's the one in the corner where there's a dog in the back seat.
Yeah, there's a paramedic over
Is
there.
there? I'm so sorry, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Sir, we're not going to let you just pick her up and take her home. She's going to the hospital. This is a bad accident.
She is 18, and I was wearing my seatbelt, and I am 19.
Witnesses said Jason was driving this pickup truck with his 18-year-old girlfriend in tow, who also suffered serious injuries in the crash.
She's laying on the ground. She thinks she may have a broken jaw.
I think we're okay.
Her
I
head
think we're okay.
She is with paramedics now.
Please treat this.
It's not good, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. I was sorry.
Come talk to me, okay?
Is she okay?
She's gonna be okay. She's conscious, she's talking, she's gonna be okay. We gotta let the paramedics do their job, okay?
Okay.
What's your first name?
Jason.
How is she related to you?
Girlfriend, boyfriend, type shit.
She's gonna be okay.
What? I'm sorry.
What's your first name?
Keep
Any
going.
of the intersection shut down from every direction.
What? No. We'll get out of here. No, we're not gonna. I'm sorry.
Standing, he's standing, he's moving around.
I'm really cold. I'm really cold.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah.
You got a lot of blood on you. Does anything hurt right now?
I'm just a stupid boyfriend, I guess.
What happened?
I was just trying to take her home.
Tell me what happened.
I was trying to take her home, and then all of a sudden, I don't know what happened.
Were you going this direction?
Yes, I'm not some drunkard all the time.
I don't think you are at all.
And then I crashed. Is she okay?
But you gotta let her be. You gotta let them do their job.
The most important person that was in the accident, I believe, is standing over there next to
She is. Yeah, it wasn't me.
next to the vehicle right here.
It wasn't me.
He's the one who's the most impaired.
Yeah,
like communicative and stuff.
I wasn't.
Oh, that's not.
I'm just supposed to you're in such shock.
No.
In the car, seen here, first responders find 17-year-old Megan Voss unconscious but breathing, with her injured dog Blue by her side. Megan was airlifted to a hospital where she was pronounced dead, and Blue was later put down due to the extent of his injuries.
We're gonna definitely want you to get looked at, especially we got some.
I know, but I
So-
really cannot afford.
Don't worry about the money, buddy.
Get your ID?
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter right now, okay?
I am. I'm sorry. I just got f***ing hit by a semi-truck, okay, man?
I got
Give me a break.
you. You're good, man. Just take a deep breath. We're gonna get you checked out by fire, okay?
No,
It doesn't cost you any money. It's gonna be paid for by the city.
Okay.
But right now, we need to get you taken care of.
Okay, I'm getting it. It's
You're
just,
okay. You're okay. Take a couple deep breaths.
Yeah.
Here, do you want me to look for it for you?
It's somewhere in this pocket.
I got
I'm
you.
just-
Okay.
Fuck,
You're okay.
that's my security, or my social security.
So in one of these, you said?
It's somewhere in this wallet. Oh, right here. It's right here.
Perfect.
Here
Thank
go.
you.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
You're okay. You're okay, man. Go sit on this cot. Let them take a look at you, okay?
I'm all.
Is this the plate to your car?
That car doesn't have a plate.
Okay.
I just bought that car
Okay.
a few days ago.
I gotcha.
Jason is taken to an ambulance while other officers talk to witnesses.
This car was coming this way very fast.
This one?
No, this car.
The one? Oh,
It was
okay.
coming very fast and flashing its brights. And this car it stopped and started to come through to the intersection. And I saw that, this one was flashing its brights, like I ain't stopping. And
Okay.
smashed right into her. And then
What direction was she going?
she was coming this way.
She's coming.
So
Okay.
I was the car that just got through the intersection, and then I saw him flashing the lights. He was going pretty
This guy
quick.
was flashing the lights.
And she was already at the stop sign. I got there first, so I
Okay.
passed. She came in. I noticed him flashing, going fast, and then I heard the slam, and then I turned around.
So was she in the intersection first?
Yes.
She was in the intersection
And
first.
he just went right through the
He just
stop
flew
sign?
right through, probably 40 miles an hour.
How did
50 miles.
Witnesses tell police Jason was driving erratically and flashing his brights before flying through a stop sign and slamming into multiple vehicles. Next, we join Jason in the ambulance, where medics and investigators have a few questions for him.
If you guys want to take, like, how much I was drinking tests or whatever, you can do that too.
Meanwhile, other investigators get a chance to talk to a few of Megan's family members.
We saw her Christmas Eve, and she was thinking about prom, and she got accepted already in college in Arizona Christian school.
That's very cool.
And she's just the greatest kid that you could ever expect. And her mother's in England, and I got to call her tonight. But
Yeah, I mean, we don't want to dig or pry too much right now.
She's a good kid. She's National Honor Society.
Oh, I don't doubt
She's
that.
a good kid.
That sounds like Phoenix.
100% believe that.
She was headed off to college. She had a really good ride. She was like a 4.1 to 4.3 GPA. She had in all AP classes she's taken in high school. She had everything. She just accepted the place she was going to go. I can't explain it, but I got faith and I believe in Christ.
Oh, absolutely.
And I had 3 Bibles that arrived today that she bought and purchased for all of us. And they come today when me and Garrett come back from crunch at 6:15 in the morning. And she opened them and she put them in the rooms.
What are you?
Now, we rejoin Jason at the hospital, where he starts to come clean about tonight's events.
And then he said her parents allowed me to drink with them, and my parents allowed it. So he was drinking with his girlfriend, probably his girlfriend and
his
parents.
girlfriend and her parents?
So
Okay.
he said he's a drunk piece of shit. So he's being very honest.
Whoa! Crash! You should have rammed into him. Would've been funny.
Jason is whisked away by medical staff for testing.
Or what time did he come over?
Oh, like really early in the morning, like 8 in the morning. And then he made me a sangria. So we started drinking right away. We drank wine. And then my mom came home and I stole her pasta that she had. And then we drank pasta. So we were drunk all day, and then he kept begging me to go to Taco Bell. I was like, you can't try.
Jason's girlfriend tells police the suspect had been drinking, quote, all day, and they had shared sangria and a bottle of wine before she says Jason allegedly drank an estimated half a bottle of vodka. Back with the suspect, police prepare to perform a breathalyzer test.
I have work tomorrow. What the f? No. He shouldn't be laughing at me. Why is he
He's laughing at you?
Yeah,
That's
he's
terrible.
laughing at me.
Alright, deep breath and blow into the tube. Hard as you can. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Perfect. Thank you very much. It's thinking. 0.238.
Is that like I'm
Yeah,
like-
but I already knew that.
Alright.
Because your eyes told me and your actions and speech have told me. So, we have 0.23, which is pretty high.
Nice life.
You heard that right. Police said Jason registered a .238 on a portable breathalyzer test. That's nearly 3 times the legal limit to operate a vehicle.
So I do have to place you under arrest
Yeah,
for
I know.
OWI.
Can I put my like underwear on first, please?
No, you're gonna stay like just like that. She's got a form to read you, okay?
I don't care if she's gonna form read me. Can I have my underwear on or no?
No, you're at the hospital.
The nurses need you to keep them off right now for the rest of their
Yeah,
stuff
okay.
they gotta do, okay?
So they can feel my right?
I don't think
No,
so,
I don't
no.
think that's why they're doing that.
Okay, well, there you go. I didn't kill anybody. I didn't kill anybody, right?
I didn't say you did.
I didn't though. Like I didn't kill anybody, right? Like I'm okay. Did I not kill anybody?
I don't know the status of the other person right now. I don't know.
I think I think I'm just a stupid kid. I think I should have really
Made a mistake.
Yeah, made a mistake.
I get it. How many drinks do
I'll
you
be
think you
honest
had?
with you. I had 3
And what kind of alcohol were you
shots.
drinking? You had 3 shots?
Alcohol, like
Do you know what kind
vodka,
of alcohol? Okay, but just the 3 shots today, nothing else.
and yeah.
Are you sure?
You can. I mean, I think .09 sounds about right for 3 shots.
Well,
but
you weren't at .09, you were at .2 something. That's really high. That makes me think that you probably had more than just 3 drinks. So that's why I'm asking. And I just want you to be honest with me.
I'm gonna lose my license. If I actually hurt someone else, and I deserve to get, my license taken away, all that, whatever. If that person's up, are they okay?
I'm not sure yet. Yeah, wait for my partners to let me know.
Please.
I think the other person is at a different hospital, so.
That's what I care about most.
Yeah, absolutely.
Finally, police decide it's time to break the news to Jason about the reality of tonight's events.
A couple more than this, because there are a couple of traffic violations as
Yeah,
well.
sure.
It sounds like you ran the red light, or not the red light, the stop sign. I'm sorry.
Alright.
So you're gonna get a ticket for that, which I haven't written yet. And then the OWI, like I told you, you're gonna get an OWI causing injury for the injuries to your girlfriend. And then, unfortunately, the driver of the other vehicle died. So you're also getting a ticket for homicide by intoxicated use of a vehicle.
What? No, they didn't. They died? They died. Thank God, I'm a piece of shit. Holy shit. How old is she? Is she like 17?
She was 17.
I should be going for life, honestly. I took a life.
So what's gonna happen is you're gonna go back to our police station for tonight. Our detectives may want to talk to you tomorrow. And then at some point we're gonna take you over to the county jail where you will see a judge who's gonna set some sort of bail for you. Okay. But for tonight, we're just gonna take you back to the police station. So my partner's gonna do that. Do you have any questions for me right now?
Jason later pleaded guilty to homicide by intoxicated use of a vehicle and second-degree recklessly endangering safety. The 19-year-old was sentenced to 10 years behind bars, followed by another 10 years of extended supervision, along with 200 hours of community service, with a stipulation that 8 hours per year are required to be served on the anniversary of Megan's death. He was also ordered to stay sober and undergo treatment.
Hold on, step back. Step back here, better than that one. Come here. Alright, let's step there, man. Alright, watch your arms, watch your legs.
This is
What you just watched wasn't a single bad decision. It was a chain of small choices, each one stacking on top of the last, until there was no way back. By the time police notified Jason that the other driver had died, the crash itself was already long over. The investigation had been unfolding quietly in the background the entire time. Witness statements confirmed that Jason's truck approached the intersection at high speed, flashing its headlights and failing to stop. Physical evidence at the scene matched those accounts: vehicle damage, impact angles, and debris patterns. At the hospital, Jason's own statements became increasingly inconsistent. He moved from denial to partial admission to self-blame, often within the same conversation. And then there was the breath test. A blood alcohol concentration of 0.238 isn't borderline impairment. It's a level associated with severe loss of judgment, delayed reaction time, and a dramatically increased risk of fatal crashes. Legally, this is where everything changes. In Wisconsin, operating while intoxicated causing death doesn't require intent. It doesn't require malice. It requires only 3 things: intoxication, operation of a vehicle, and a death directly linked to that impairment. Once those elements are established, the outcome is no longer emotional, it's procedural. Jason later pleaded guilty. He was sentenced to 10 years in prison, followed by 10 years of extended supervision, mandatory treatment, and community service tied to the anniversary of Megan's death. For Megan's family, the sentence doesn't bring closure. For Jason, it marks the moment his life split permanently into before and after. Cases like this are uncomfortable to watch because there's no easy villain. Jason isn't portrayed as violent. He isn't aggressive toward police. He isn't trying to run. He's immature, he's reckless, and he's catastrophically unprepared to handle adult responsibility. That's what makes this footage so disturbing. Throughout the video, Jason fixates on the wrong things: hospital bills, embarrassment, whether he'll be arrested. Not because he doesn't care, but because his brain hasn't caught up yet. And when it finally does, it's too late. The moment police tell him the other driver died is one of the most honest moments you'll ever see on Bodycam. There's no acting, no calculation, just the sudden realization that a mistake has turned into a permanent consequence. This is what drunk driving really looks like. Not a dramatic chase, not instant regret, but confusion, delay, denial, and then a truth that lands all at once. There are a few critical takeaways from this case, and they apply far beyond this one crash. First, drunk driving isn't about how you feel. It's about how impaired you actually are. Jason didn't feel that drunk, but the breathalyzer didn't care. Physics didn't care. The intersection didn't care. Second, responsibility doesn't disappear just because others made bad choices too. Even if alcohol was present all day, even if other adults failed him, even if no one stopped him from driving, the moment Jason turned the key, the responsibility became his alone. Third, consequences don't wait for intent. Jason didn't wake up planning to kill someone, but intent doesn't change outcome. And on the road, outcome is what matters. This case isn't about demonizing a teenager. It's about understanding how fast a life can be destroyed, both the victims and the drivers. Videos like this aren't shared for shock value. They're shared because they show something statistics can't. They show the moment of realization, the moment where someone understands that a line has been crossed forever. If even one person watches this and decides not to drive drunk, or not to get in the car with someone who's been drinking, then Megan's story carries meaning beyond tragedy. If you found this breakdown valuable, consider subscribing. We analyze real Bodycam footage to explain what happened, why it happened, and what it teaches, without sensationalism. If you're watching on YouTube, check the description for resources on impaired driving prevention and legal awareness. And if this video made you uncomfortable, that reaction is the point. In our next case, we examine a driver who refused every sobriety test, confident the lack of evidence would protect him, until Bodycam footage revealed something prosecutors couldn't ignore. That video is already on the channel. Because in real life, the truth doesn't always come fast, but it always comes eventually. Thanks for watching.